अच्छा।
तो हाँ, my hometown is Ahmedabad.
Wonderful. Dhananjay, are we live?
हाँ जी.
Just a minute, sir. I'm just coordinating with the team. Dhananjay, are we live?
Yeah, we are live. I can see the live on the left side. We are live for 41 seconds now.
I'm just checking, sir, Facebook Live, sir. Wonderful. Good morning to one and all. We are live on Facebook and also we are live on other platforms at the social media pages of BAC and also iHub and other platforms of Government of Gujarat. So it's a very special occasion today. We started a conversation with the team of Bombay Stock Exchange last week when Ajay Thakurji and Anand started a conversation that how Government of Gujarat and BAC can promote startups. And within a week, we are here now with a MOU already been signed and we are with an action plan. So that's what I was telling Ashish Chauhanji, who is the managing director of Bombay Stock Exchange, that right from Bichar to Vyavastha, we converted the journey in 7 days. So that's the kind of space, that the kind of pace also that Gujarat government want to pursue. And I would like to welcome all of you who have joined in the launch program of the Bombay Stock Exchange and iHub platform for fundraising for startups. Today we have Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Madam Anju Sharma, who happens to be the chairperson of iHub. She was the person behind the student startup and innovation policy formulations, and right from designing policy to building institutional mechanism to take the movement ahead, Madam has been the leader in the entire game. We have with us Professor Himanshu Pandya, the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University and also Chief Mentor of iHub, who has been very kind enough to find his time and providing the network and support to the entire iHub ecosystem. We also have Mr. M. Nagarajan, Commissioner of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, who is also the Honorary Executive Director of iHub. We have Sri Ashish Chauhan, the Managing Director of Bombay Stock Exchange. We have Ajay Thakurji, again from Bombay Stock Exchange, and Anand, our dear friend in BAC, who was the person to interface between these two stakeholders to create an ecosystem. At this outset, I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of iHub, Government of Gujarat, and the entire fraternity of innovations ecosystem in the state. The session is quite live now at the social media pages of Bombay Stock Exchange and also at iHub. Today, the purpose is we have already signed an MOU with Bombay Stock Exchange in which some of the startups in our portfolio, some of the other startups can take the SME exchange and similar platforms created by BAC to raise funds from public market. So it's a great occasion. I would now like to welcome Sri M. Nagarajan, Director of Higher Education, to share his welcome address.
Thank you, Hiranmay. It is a very wonderful occasion because we are connecting the bottom line and top line of startup and innovation ecosystem in the country with a special focus on Gujarat. I am very happy to welcome Chairperson Anju Sharma ji, who has been our guiding light in implementation of this policy. I extend a very warm welcome on behalf of Education Department to Sri Ashish Chauhan ji, who is the Managing Director of Bombay Stock Exchange, and also to our dear friend Mr. Ajay Thakur, who has been very enthusiastically supporting us for the listing of startups, and also his colleague Mr. Anand. I also extend a warm welcome to Professor Himanshu Pandya, who is Chief Mentor of iHub and Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, and Mr. Girish Joshi from Bombay Stock Exchange, and also to Hiranmay, who has been the host of this show and putting everything and executing things in order. So just to set a sort of context to this golden moment we are having today, is that we are bringing a seamless connect from idea to market. through this initiative. And market, we don't just mean reaching the customer, but to reach the capital market, for which this MOU is going to actually enable the startups. Now we are providing a seamless pathway for any student from a tribal belt, from a very interior area, to work on his idea, make it a viable product, and bring that product to the market, find this product market fit, and then get into sort of risk capital and venture funding, and even go to the public for funding this initiative. Whatever ecosystem, but it could be of much interest to the public who are investing in the startups. So the number of startups that BSE startup listing wing has done is tremendous. That in the last few years they have done a very path-breaking work, and now it's time to give access to this golden opportunity to each and every startup in this country. And I am sure this is not going to be the one of only MOU that BSE is going, because this is going to set yet another model for incubators across the country to have a very scalable model that could actually reach to the organized capital market in this country. So in this occasion, I warmly congratulate BSE for extending a very open-hearted cooperation with iHub, because iHub is working with the students of Gujarat, and a student is he can be a startup when at the young age of 17 years he enters a college and he gets a budding idea. So the Atmanirbhar Bharat, this is enabling it from the grassroots level, and this program has been very, very effective, because so far in the last 2.5 years we have filed almost 700 patents. All these patents have been facilitated and supported by the Student Startup and Innovation Policy. We focus in that area where we are germinating the ideas. So at the idea stage, at the pre-incubation stage, where we are increasing the pipeline so that more students are getting the opportunity, they are getting exposed to concepts like design thinking, venture creation, and also to understand how this funding works. And when they are ready for funding from the formal channels, we then let them graduate into these things. So this MOU is providing that golden runway for them to reach to the market, and I am also sure that BSE is going to extend a lot of knowledge support, a lot of moral support, and also facilitation in supporting these eligible startups to get listed in this BSE startup market. Thank you so much everyone for joining us today, and this marks yet another epochal event in this journey of all these startups, and also in the creation of ecosystem in this country.
Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request Dr. Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor, I have to share our thoughts. Sir, is that?
Good noon, everyone. I would like to restrict myself because we are late by 10 minutes, so I will give more time to the speakers, those who are guiding us and encouraging us for the upcoming event. Of course, we are signing an MOU with Bombay Stock Exchange, and it will be a landmark event between two institutions. iHub being a government enterprise,
I think we lost sir for a second.
We can go to the next speaker and then call in market.
No, he's there.
Ideas,
Yeah.
and you have the finance capabilities, and you have the platform for young startups to work with. I think with the manpower and the availability of funds and some channels where we can drive these startups from limited access to their requirements, this would be a wonderful endeavor between two enterprises. So I wish you all the best, and once again, congratulations to Team iHub for signing this MOU with BSE. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Ajay Thakurji, the head of Bombay Stock Exchange SME and Startup BSE platform. Sir will share us about how startups could benefit from such avenues and how we can co-create.
Yeah, respected Principal Secretary, E-Education and iHub, Chairperson iHub, Srimati Anju Sharma ji, respected Director, Education, Mr. Nagarajan, Professor Himanshu Pandya, the Vice Chancellor and Chief Mentor iHub, Mr. Hinmay Mehta, CEO iHub, MD and CEO BSC Sri Ashish Chauhan ji, Sri Girish Joshi ji, my colleague Anand Chari, distinguished guests and participants, very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, let me thank iHub, the Principal Secretary and the Director Education for giving us the opportunity to enter into the Memorandum of Understanding. I am quite sure that this partnership will become a big milestone in creating the startup ecosystem in the state of Gujarat. And thousands of startups will get listed from the state of Gujarat. I think this collaboration that has happened, it is for creating awareness, capacity building, and giving soft support to the startups of the state. We all acknowledge that there are, India is third largest destination of the startups. We have got more than lakhs of startups in India, and some of them got converted into unicorns. And therefore, it is very much necessary for institutions like BSc and iHub to handhold these startups to get them converted into unicorns. Thousands of startups will come into the system, and if they get converted into unicorns, I'm quite sure that they are going to create huge employment and contribute to the growth of the GDP of the state and the country at large. BSc in 2018, the month of December, has come out with the policy of the policy on this startup platform. In fact, we are the first startup platform that has been launched by any stock exchange in India. And let me tell you, though we have come out with the policy in December, but practically it was launched in the month of August 2019. And since then, we have got 5 startups listed. One we have recently given the approval, and there are another 4-5 startups are in pipeline. Even in the time of COVID, we have got one startup listed who have raised 5 crore rupees from the capital market. So we have kept the guidelines as simple as we can so that more and more startups can get listed. And if you see the guidelines, we have kept it like this, that any startup which is into, IT, ITS, defense technology, nanotechnology, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, or anything related to tech, they can get listed. Subject to that, they should be in existence for a minimum period of 2 years. They should be registered as a startup with DIPP. In case they are not registered as a startup, then their paid up capital must be 1 crore and their net worth should be positive. So these are the basic guidelines that we have kept. At the same time, post-listing compliances have been kept as simpler as we can. They have to do only half-yearly compliance. The reason being is that most of the startups and SMEs, they get scared to do, a lot of compliances. So we have kept the compliances as simple as we can. And therefore, we are creating awareness. Recently, we have also entered into an MOU with IT alumni, and also done an event with NASSCOM, and that had created a lot of buzz in the startup space, and many of the startups are coming forward. So I'm I feel really privileged that today we are, entering into agreement, and I am quite sure that under the leadership of Sri Ashish Chauhan ji, who is MD and CEO, and who has also acted, was once upon a time himself an entrepreneur. He understands the pains of the startups. And when he told me to launch the startup platform at the earliest, even I felt very enthusiastic and excited. And therefore, we have launched this startup platform without waiting. And also, let me, tell you all that, we have got maximum SMEs listed from the state of Gujarat. So anyhow, there is a lot of entrepreneurship culture in the state, and I'm quite sure that with the support of iHub, we are going to bring more and more startups on our BSc and startup platform and help them in becoming big, so that more and more employment can get created and the state of Gujarat can become a leading state in terms of GDP in the country. So with these words, thanks a lot to all of you once again for giving us the opportunity to enter into this agreement. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. It was wonderful to listen to you, and also your team really made it a swift move to get this MOU possible. I would now like to introduce Sri Ashish Ji, who is the Managing Director and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange. Ashish Ji is one of the founders of India's National Stock Exchange, NSE, where he worked from 1992 to 2000. He is best known as the father of modern Indian financial derivatives in India due to his work at National Stock Exchange. He was instrumental in setting up India's first fully automated screen-based trading system and fast commercial satellite communication network. He also created several path-breaking frameworks, including the Nifty Index, NSE certification in financial markets, and others. He has got a huge amount of accolades and number of awards. He is a distinguished fellow, Institute of Directors, New Delhi. He is a distinguished alumni award from IIM Kolkata, CEO of the Year award by the Diamond Sabre Awards in Hong Kong, G Business Awards in 2013, Best CEO in Financial Market by Asian Banker in 2014, Top 50 CIOs in Information Week, United States. He holds a bachelor's degree of Mechanical Engineering from IIT Bombay and an MBA from IIM Kolkata. He is a distinguished visiting professor at Ryerson University, Toronto, and Canada. Due to his work in various fields spanning a quarter of a century, he is considered one of the foremost experts in the field of information technology, finance, markets, microstructure of markets, telecommunication, organizational retail, oil and gas, and many more. He sits in the Board of Governors of NIT Manipur, again a Board of Governors in IIM Raipur, Independent Director of ICSI, Insolvency Professional Agency, and many more platforms. So it is a privilege to have Ashish Ji today with this special occasion between the MOU between iHub, Government of Gujarat, and Bombay Stock Exchange. Your team has been really agile to help us out, and certainly this is as a beginning, and we'll take this entire platform next step so that more and more startups leverage the platforms that we have been creating. Having said that, I would now like to welcome you to share your address.
Thank you, Susri Anju Sharma, IAS, PS Education Department and Chairperson iHub, Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor iHub, Sri M. Nagarajan, IAS, Director Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, Sri Hiranmay Mahanta, CEO iHub, Sri Ajay Thakur, Head BSc SME and Startup, Sri Girish Joshi, Head of Operations and Listing, BSc, Sri Anand Chari, BSc SME. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome and good afternoon. Before I begin, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to all those who are in the front lines battling the COVID-19 pandemic, doctors, health officials, law enforcement agencies, elected officials, bankers, stockbrokers, and everyone else who are doing everything and trying to normalize the crisis that we are all currently facing worldwide. On behalf of BSE, I would like to wholeheartedly express my deepest appreciation and profound gratitude towards Susri Anju Sharma and senior officials from Gujarat government as well as iHub for gracing this important occasion of signing of MOU between BSE and Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub to encourage and support startups in raising capital. Under the leadership of Sri Vijay Rupani ji, the state of Gujarat has seen consistent economic growth and making efforts to position Gujarat as a global center for financial services and leader in SMEs, financial services, manufacturing, future technology, and now in startups. The initiatives taken by our government of Gujarat has resulted in best-in-class sector policies, stable industrial relations, and investor-friendly business environment, and encouragement to young entrepreneurs. Today's MOU is a further testament to Gujarat government's commitment in the reform agenda, which will go a long way in boosting confidence of startups. The story of BSE, the story of Indian economy, with a 145-year-old history. BSE is one of the oldest working public institutions in India, having created wealth to the tune of more than $2.5 trillion, including equity and debt. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, borrowing, and many more. At BSE, we enable ease of capital raising for all small entrepreneurs to large entrepreneurs. From rupees 1 crore to 1 lakh crore you can raise on BSE. The BSE SME platform provides immense opportunity to entrepreneurs to raise equity capital for growth and expansion, and for investors to identify and invest in SMEs as well as startup at an early stage. It also gives me great pleasure to inform you that already 324 companies have listed on these platforms, and 82 companies have become large enough to go to the main board automatically. These companies have raised more than 3,300 crore rupees and represent today wealth of 19,000 crore rupees. For the startups seeking mentoring, fundraising, and exponential growth, BSE has taken the lead and set up India's largest startup exchange. So far, 5 companies have raised 19 crores via the BSE startup platform. At our BSE startup platform, we aim to facilitate the listing of companies in sectors such as IT, ITES, biotechnology, life sciences, 3D printing, space technology, e-commerce, and many more. To further strengthen our startup platform, we are pleased to sign an MOU with iHub, a vibrant incubation setup established under Student Startup Innovation Policy (SSIP) by the Education Department of Government of Gujarat, and provides a conducive ecosystem for growth of startups. I've been told that already more than 1,000 startups are currently working in Ahmedabad and nearby areas, and Ahmedabad has become a startup hub already. I'm confident that via this MOU, emerging companies in areas such as high-tech, defense, drones, nanotechnologies, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, cloud, robotics, genetic engineering, etc., all of which are the future, will receive further impetus to scale up and expand. The COVID-19 pandemic has posed unprecedented challenges for the startup ecosystem in India. At this time, BSE is pleased to join hands with iHub and Government of Gujarat and offer a support to startups using innovative solutions, including strategic mentorship, raising of equity, and access to vibrant ecosystem to expand and succeed. BSE and iHub fully acknowledge and appreciate their strength, resources, experience, and expertise, and therefore it is expedient to join hands in pursuit of developing and strengthening startup ecosystem in Gujarat and in India. Dhanyawad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable words, and you rightly highlighted how the startups have raised funds, equity from the capital market, and this is going to be a wonderful opportunity. We have a lot of startups who comes to us, who wants to go to raise next level finances, and your platform could be real help towards that. And that your team, particularly Ajay-ji, Anand, and the entire team, has been kind enough to brief some of our startups what are the processes, due diligence required to go to your platform and raise resources. So in days to come, certainly this coming together will be a big, huge difference making in the entire ecosystem. I would now like to request Principal Secretary Anju Sharma Madam, the chairperson of iHub, who is the person behind the entire movement, to share her thoughts what exactly we're trying to build iHub as an institution and how these MOU and collaborations can take us forward.
Shri Ashish Kumar ji, Shri Ajay ji, साथियों, iHub में Chief Mentor Shri Himanshu ji, Nagaraj, Hiranmay, all the viewers. It is an immense pleasure for us to forge a partnership with the Bombay Stock Exchange for listing these startups, for raising funds. And I was going through the efforts that you have made, and I was going through the journey of startups with the BSE. And we have a very promising journey ahead. So I'm looking forward to a great collaboration between us. Though only 95% of the startups, they say, are fund intensive. But at some point of time or the other, every startup needs money, because startups may not be needing money in the initial phases, but when it comes to acceleration, when it comes to scaling up, then they do need money. And sometimes money becomes a critical factor in the growth of business. I personally feel that money always flows when you have a good team, when you have a good idea, when you have a good project. But yes, you need to facilitate. You need to facilitate the process of flowing the money. Making the startup get funds, not only from the investors, the venture funds, the angel investors, that of course we're trying to do. But then the startup get developing confidence in themselves to raise money from the public. That is in itself a very big area that has not yet been tapped very much in the Indian market as of now. We have made a beginning, and with the efforts that BSE and NSE are doing, and the government is also promoting it a lot, we see a great future ahead. Probably we cannot deal with the funding of startups in the same way as one would deal with the funding of the normal public limited companies. I would, as a part of this understanding, of course, as a part of this MOU and also separate from it, I would like to request BSE to also polish this product in a way that, and fine-tune the product in a way that startups are able to raise the money from the public. You see, when we raise money from the public, a normal company would go for listing. There is a factor of investor confidence. There is a factor of the background of the company. So in the bullish market, okay, everything will sell. But now with the maturity of the markets that has come in the recent years, these kind of sentimental trends are not much seen. Not much seen. Of course, they're always bound to be there. As a result of this, we need to create some kind of an arrangement so that some kind of a maybe an assessment system or something so that investor gets some confidence in these startups. A startup doesn't have a long background, you know, they don't have years of expertise, they don't have the ROI figures, okay, they don't have much of the books of the records to show, okay, I have made this many, this is my book value and these are my assets, and this is what the only thing they have is the intellectual capital and the entrepreneurial capital with which they have come into in the business, and they are wanting to get money. So how do you convert this entrepreneurial capital into some kind of index so that investor gets the confidence? Like today, if I want to invest in a startup, I have, for example, ₹1 lakh to invest in the startup. You provide me a way, some kind of rating system or some framework so that I get a confidence that, okay, if I invest in this startup, I get 40% return, 50% return, and a risk come return, you know, that is, this is a kind of return that is expected, and this is a kind of risk that is associated with it. And as people who have understanding of the financial market, we all know that both the things come together. But if I am able, if I want to take, if I want 100% return or I want 200% return, these startups are very well capable of giving. Okay, I'm ready to take this much risk. And so you put together the risk factors that BSE thinks that these are the risk factors developed by our experts. These are the returns that are likely to be incurred, gained over the coming years. And maybe you projected, maybe an estimated ROI. You can always say that terms and conditions apply. So as a standard thing, and market, this is everything, all the details are subject to market risks. Everything all can be done. But, you know, a startup benchmarking, a startup rating has to be there, kind of an index, you know, to say that, yes, this is An A quality startup, this is a B quality startup, this is a C quality startup. So how do venture funds invest? They appraise the projects. After appraising the project, they make an understanding out of it. And then they have the philosophy that I am not going to invest in B category projects. Every venture fund has its own, philosophy. Some would do only with the A, some would also go for B, some would go for C also. So let the investors then decide, the common public, the small investor, not the venture funds. Let them then decide that, okay, this is an assessment that has been given by the Bombay Stock Exchange to me about this startup. This is how I will make my investment decision now. So that will help the startups get more access to the market. And maybe, like the way you have the index for the blue chip companies, you have index for the small cap, mid cap, have an index for startups also. Because very few people know, when I'm talking of investing by the common public, what we are talking of, that small investor who doesn't know much about all these things. What a startup is, they also don't know that. But once you start having a mid-cap index along with that small cap and a startup index, they know, okay, the startup index is doing very well. So I should invest now here. Okay, so that again builds some more confidence. Now, when at this time, with the Honorable PM's call for Atmanirbhar, call for Make in India, call for Startup India, we will have to develop these systems so that we get investor confidence into investing startups. It's all a matter of, we all know, investing is a matter of sentiments. You, me, everybody knows. And we have to build that sentiment. We have to build that positive sentiment in favor of startups. So I say, okay, now I'm not going to, person like me would always go only for blue chip companies. But no, I'm not going to go for blue chip. Maybe the risk is higher, but I think I can. So I go for startups. So that kind of, one needs a buffer. One needs some expert body, somebody who can kind of give a boost to the entire. And I think BSE can be a very good agency for that. My reporting in your system, BSE, then I got this MOU. Our team worked on it. Nagarajan, Dr. Himanshu, myself. So my idea was like, when I went through the MOU and I went through the entire concept, I was really wondering how many of our startups would go for public listing. But then I realized that probably we can work with you in developing this framework so that this culture gets built. We have to build up this culture, and we have to take this culture to the grassroots, to the lowest level of the investors, to the small investors. The small investors have the power of numbers. Okay, 10 rupees by one person multiplied by 1 crore becomes a crore. That's the power of numbers. And that's the power of small investors. We should be able to tap that power of small investors for the startups. Why should startups look at big funds, big venture capitalists? No, I have confidence in my startup. I know if I establish my credentials to the public investor, public will get attracted to me. But my saying it is not going to work. If I say, no, I'm doing very well, it's not going to work. Somebody has to endorse it. Somebody has to endorse it. And of course, with the way everybody does. So I would request you that as a part of this MOU, let us work together on that line also. And have a special index for startups, have a special channel for investing into the startups, and have a special window for the startups that, okay, you cannot treat them at par with the mid cap and large cap. You cannot. Even with the small cap. So they have to be given certain special facilities for people to invest in. So maybe a startup window or a startup channel in the BSE itself that works on this, and your task is facilitated, and I'm sure you will have endless means of powering it and funding it, because you're into this. And this will probably create a new model for the entire financial sector, because this is going to stay. Startups are going to stay. Startups are going to increase. Startups volumes are going to increase, and we have to leverage on the strength of startups. With this, as iHub, we are all there to support BSE in their endeavors, and I'm so happy that you are coming and helping our investors in their process of their flight to success. And I look forward to great association with you in the future. And let's bring a meaningful difference to the startup sector as a whole. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madam. In fact, the suggestions that you suggested are really important in the entire framework. And when we had a briefing with the team at BSE, we were apprised that this startup and the platform is exactly trying to do the same thing, in which they're trying to tap a large number of investors to raise resources for revenue positive companies through this dedicated platform. And already a bunch of startups have raised resources. So definitely, I think Ashish ji and Ajay ji will closely work with your team, and our startups will leverage this platform. I would now we started a week before, but now we are in the take-off zone. We started the conversation with Ajay ji and Mr. Chari. We thought through how to get it going. A plan is in place. We'll sensitize about this program with various innovators and startups, particularly revenue positive startups. We have more than 50 student ventures coming every year from our incubators, who are at least $500,000 revenue by now. So most of them will be a real pipeline for the entire program. I would thank Anju Madam for remaining present in the launch of this Bombay Stock Exchange and iHub joint efforts to raise financial support for startups. I also like to thank Dr. Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor iHub, to remain present with us and share his thoughts how these collaborations can create mutual value for startups and these platforms that we are creating. I would like to thank Sri M. Nagarajan, Commissioner of Higher Education and Honorary Executive Director of iHub, for sharing his thoughts and ideas. And we had a detailed conversation involving Nagarajan sir and BSE team a week before to check out a plan. Thank you, sir, for taking interest in getting this thing going. I would like to thank Ashish ji for your valuable time and thoughts and your kind words, how Gujarat is taking a leadership in economy and allied endeavors. And certainly this startup ecosystem in Gujarat is going to thrive much faster, much stronger, much bolder, and support from all of you would be really helpful. Ajay ji, thank you so much for converting this idea of a partnership between a state and BSE, and we are within a week now from execution of this idea. So thank you so much, sir. And Anand, who was the interface with Tinu the other day, to connecting us with BSE team and iHub for this matchmaking possible. I'm sure a dozen of entrepreneurs will definitely take benefit out of this platform. So I would also thank the entire iHub team and all the startups who are participating. I see a lot of people listening through Bombay Stock Exchange Facebook page and also other social media platforms in which the session is being live. iHub is a platform which opens door for everybody. Though we are situated in Ahmedabad, but all startups across the country can take benefit of our virtual incubations, other flagship programs. And through this interface of iHub and Bombay Stock Exchange, most of you should try hard in a systematic manner to capture value. So thank you so much, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, the team of Bombay Stock Exchange, for joining today in this launch function. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you.